In this video, I will show how to create scatter chart in Microsoft Excel. So firstly, select your data, then insert and click this drop down. Now select this and here select this scatter. So there are some options. You can select any style, smooth line and markers with smooth lines, straight lines and markers, and 3D. Then click on OK. You can adjust the size, you can change title, you can add some label and element, trend line, data labels. Also you can add some elements from here. You can change style for this chart. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.